Hello everyone, our lesson for today is about a circle. So you're going to learn how to graph a circle in a Cartesian plane and then find the equation of that circle. We are going to start by locating the circle with the given examples here in a Cartesian plane. Meron tayong given examples. Number 1, center at the origin, wherein the coordinate is at 0, 0. Radius r is equals to 4 units away from the center. Number 2, the center is at 2, negative 1, wherein it is no longer at the origin with the radius 3 units away from the center. So we're going to start with example number 1. Meron na tayo ditong Cartesian plane. Nilagay ko na yung lahat ng scale. Always remember that the Cartesian plane, yung x-axis niya ay may arrow magkabila. It extends it definitely. Katulad din ng y-axis. Meron din siyang arrow sa taas at baba. So how do we label this Cartesian plane? Basta nasa kanan, coming from the origin, are positive. Papunta sa kaliwa, will be negative. And then yung pataas is positive, pababa are negatives. So let's start by finding the graph of number 1 in which the center is at the origin. So, ito yung kanyang center at 0, 0. Then, pagkatapos natin ma-plot yung center, hahanapin na natin yung mga coordinates ng locus of points ng circle. Wherein makikita natin yon kung ang radius is 4 units away from the center, kung ang center is nasa origin, magbibilang tayo ng 4 units papunta sa kaliwa, sa kanan, sa taas, at sa baba. Unahin na natin yung papunta sa kanan. Sabi dyan, it is 4 units away from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kukunin natin yung point natin na to na isa sa mga points ng circle. Lagyan natin ng coordinates. Ang coordinates niyan is x is equals to 4. And then yung y is 0. So, meron na tayong first coordinate ng circle na tinatanong dito sa example number 1. Magbibilang na naman tayo ng 4 units away papunta dito sa kaliwa. Means ito yung point papunta sa kaliwa. X is negative 4, y is 0. Susunod, kunin na naman natin yung distance, radius r, from origin, from the center, papunta sa taas. One, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung isa sa mga coordinates ng circle. X is 0, y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then, pababa naman, 4 units pa rin away from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Siya. Yung coordinate niya is x is equals to 0. And then y is 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4 kasi nandito siya sa bandang ibaba. So this time, i-connect na natin yung lahat ng mga points na nakuha natin dito sa rectangular coordinate system o sa Cartesian plane. I-connect lang natin lahat yan to form a circle. So meron na tayong circle with given center at the origin 0, 0, radius 4 units away from the center. Paano ba natin mahanap yung equation ng circle natin na to? Meron tayong equation of circle in standard form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. So, ano ba yung h saka yung k? Yung center will represent as h, k. So, dito sa ating example number 1, yung HK, 0 and 0. 0 and 0. So, simply substitute the value of HK to the given equation of a circle in standard form. So, kukopihin ko lang ulit. X minus H square plus Y minus K square is equals to R square. So, substitute na natin. X minus 0, H is 0, plus, kalimutan yung square, Y minus K is equals to 0, square is equals to R square. For yung R, given 4 is R, and then we square it. So, ito na yung equation ng ating circle of example number 1 in standard form. Simplify pa natin yung 4 square. X minus 0 square plus Y minus 0 square is equals to 4 times 4, 16. So, ito yung equation of the circle in standard form. Wherein kung titingnan natin yung x minus 0 square, it is simply like x square. Kapag kinuha natin ito, sinimplify natin to, the useful method, makukulang natin is x square plus, ito naman magiging y square na lang to, kasi y minus 0 square is y square is equals to 16. So, yung x square plus y square is equals to 16. Ito naman yung equation of the circle in general form. So, always remember, kung hahanapin nyo yung equation of the circle in standard form, lagi nyo makikita yung HK or yung center. So, let's move to the second example. Dito sa ating second example, meron tayong center at 2, negative 1 with radius is equals to 3 units away from the center. So, i-locate muna natin yung center at 2, negative 1. 1, 2, positive 2. Ito siya, sa banda rito siya. And then yung negative 1 nasa bandang ibaba. Ito siya, negative 1 yung y. So, ito yung point natin. Center. That is 2, negative 1. So, meron tayong center. Diba? Sabi natin, we are going to count 3 units away from the center. To the right tayo. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ito yung isa sa point natin. Papunta sa kanan. Lagyan na natin, identify na natin yung coordinate na to, na isa sa mga locus of point ng circle. 5. And then ito, pareho lang, it's negative 1. Ganun lang, sa bandang kaliwa naman, 3 units, 1, 2, 3, from the center, negative 1, negative 1. Then upward, galing dito sa center, 1 to 3 is 2, 2. Pababa naman, galing dito sa negative 1, 1, 2, 3, ito siya, is 2, negative 4. So, yung x is 2, y is negative 4. Then, again, i-connect na naman natin yung lahat ng points na nakuha natin para makabuo ng circle. So, ito na yung ating graph ng circle ng number 2 example with center at 2, negative 1 and radius is 3 units away from the center. Ngayon, babalikan natin yung equation of the circle in standard form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. So, this time, yung center, HK, wherein h and k is equals to yung h is 2, yung k is negative 1. So it's time to substitute the value of hk and the radius dito sa equation of the circle in standard form. So i-write ko na lang ulit. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. And then we substitute. X minus yung h is equals to positive 2. So that is 2 square plus y minus k is negative 1. So we have negative 1 square is equals, and then r is 3 square. And then tanggalin natin yung parenthesis sa loob ng parenthesis. So what we have is x minus 2 square plus y, negative times negative, positive 1 square is equals to 3 square is equals to 9. So ito na yung equation of the circle in standard form. Titingnan ninyo yung given hk, huwag nyo lagyan ng parenthesis sa loob. Always remember na pagka-positive itong h dito sa given coordinate, tapos pagdating dito sa equation, magiging negative. So, from positive 2, it becomes negative 2. Ito naman kay, from negative 1, it becomes positive 1. And of course, pagka ililipat yung equation na to, galing sa equation, yung coordinate ng center, babaguhin nyo rin yung sign na to kung gagawin yung coordinates. So, let's say, sabihin natin na yung hk nyo, yung center, negative 2 yung x, yung h, so magiging 2 na lang siya, positive 2. Yung k is positive 1 dito, pagdating sa coordinate, negative 1 siya. Since this is the equation of the circle in standard form, ano naman yung equation of the circle in general form? I-expand lang natin to. Hindi ba pag in-expand natin to, magkakaroon tayo ng x minus 2 times x minus 2. Ito naman, y plus 1 times y plus 1. Expand lang natin yan. And then, yung constant, lipat natin sa kanan or pwedeng equate natin sa 0. Kung gusto natin i-transform yung equation of the circle in standard form, gagawin natin general form. X minus 2 square plus y minus 1 square is equals to 9. So, dahil itong x minus 2 is also the same as x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. In this case, babalik na naman yung ating pinag-aralan tungkol sa FOIL method. So, x times x, x square, x times negative 2, negative 2x. And then ito naman, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. And then we add x squared, bring down. And then negative 2x plus negative 2x, we have negative 4x. Bring down 4. So, itong x minus 2 square is x square minus 4x plus 4. So, tapos na tayo sa x minus 2 square. So, nilagyan ko muna ng parenthesis para ma-identify nyo na this is x minus 2 squared. And this one, yung y minus 1, so this is y plus 1. So, this is y plus 1 square. So, pareho lang yan. And then, distribute. Y times y, y square. Y times 1 plus y. And then, 1 times y again. Positive y. And then, 1 times 1 plus 1. So, all you have is bring down y square plus 2y. Y plus y, 2y plus 1. Then, lipat na rito yung y plus 1 square. To expand, y square plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 9. Tapos tatanggalin lang natin yung parenthesis, nilagay ko lang kanina, and then transpose natin tong constant dun sa kabila. Ang matitira dito is x squared minus 4x. Dito naman yung matitira is plus y squared plus 2y. And then yung 9, magkakaroon na kasama because we're going to transpose positive 4 to the other side of the equation, and it will become negative 4, as well as itong positive 1 magiging negative 1 sa kabilang side ng equation. And then simplify, pag sunurin na lang yung x squared sa y squared, i-arrange. Nine minus 4 minus 1 equals to 4. So ito na yung equation of the circle in general form. Or pwede rin nating i-equate ito sa 0. So generally, pwede natin gawin to x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus, this is 2y, and transpose sa kabila naman, ibalik na lang, negative 4 ang mangyayari, so is equals to 0. So this will be the equation of the circle in general form. And that is our lesson for today about the circle, graphing and finding the equation of the circle in standard form and general form. Thank you very much.